I'm Courtney.
And I'm Justin.
We're the Popes. And we are so excited to be starting this channel of RV tips and tricks and following us around as we explore Canada and eventually into the States.
Hopefully. Oh. That was the dagger. Oh. Blame me?
So this is the footage you're gonna see.
No, you're cut. No.
No, this is us.
Blame poop on me. That was you.
Our dog, one of our dog, Blake, is under the table and Motley's over there. Yeah, some of our favorite places we've been so far have been Blue Lake in the Duck Mountains and Clear Lake. We really liked that one. We also went to Assisipi too.
I like that place a lot.
Yeah, we just want to go when it's a busier time. We went, was it September?
Yeah.
And it was quiet, which was nice, but it'd be interesting to see what it's like during peak season.
Probably gonna be like just not really a vlog, but more just traveling and
yeah, and just like how we organize our camper and
traveling with dogs.
2 dogs now. That'll be interesting to see. We only had 1 dog last year, so 2 dogs will be interesting. We want this channel to be helpful to people starting out, whether they've like just got a camper last year and this is just their 2nd or 3rd year, and also people who have done this for a long time with even giving tips and tricks of different things we've learned along the way. I know you've done a lot of like research on YouTube and stuff, and it's really helped us, so we wanted to kind of give back and do the same thing, and that you guys can just follow along with how we do things.
Show what we've learned and how it works for us, and things we do might not work for other people, but it's what works for us.
Yeah, and it'll be interesting to see because we just got a new camper as well. So it'll be like a learning curve for us as well. This season, there's probably going to be, knock on wood, no breaks, but there's probably going to be stuff happen, right, that you got to work out the kinks the first travel day and stuff. But yeah, this year we're going further, which will be interesting to see. What else do you want the channel to be?
Not really all just tips and tricks and what to do. It's more or less just us enjoying RVing and out camping and exploring and just showing people what it's like for us.
And like, yeah, where we're going and like if we recommend something at that specific spot. And yeah, showing you maybe some spots we might not go again and giving you like our reviews of places. So yeah, that's kind of our hope for this channel. So please like our video and subscribe. That would be absolutely awesome.
Hit
yeah.
the bell if you want to see more.
Yeah.
Sure.
But yeah, this is us. We're awkward. He's goofy. But yeah, this is us, and we look forward to you guys following along. I can't wait till we can actually go camping and make more videos for you guys. We're gonna do some like walkthroughs of new camper and all that good stuff. But yeah, let us know if there's anything in specific you guys would like to see. And yeah, we look forward to making these videos.